friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. In today's video, I got this basket of $50 of goods completely for free, which is kind of awesome. Before we even dive into a single deal, if you could do me a huge kindness and like this video, I would be so grateful. So if you could take a quick second and like this video, you've just made my day. So the question is, how did you get that basket so cheap? I used this booster and I also stacked a second booster. So what I did was I stacked an 11 back when you spend 50 with the 10 back when you spend 25. Now we're going to be looking at the 10 back when you spend 25 because I know a lot of you do not want to do a $50 basket. We're going to look at a couple baskets and then a bunch of like cheap deals. So the first deal we're going to talk about is our best friend, the Old Spice Champion. For this deal, if you can only find one in store, that's what we're going with. IBOTTA has a rebate back for $3 and it's been there now for 2 weeks. It's reset for me and it doesn't exclude the use of coupons if you read the fine print. So that's what I'm going with. It doesn't exclude it, especially on mine. Maybe yours is different, but it doesn't on mine. We have this $3 digital coupon, so load it if you still might have it. This is just a really easy deal. So one of those body washes is $7 on the nose and it has to be the Champion scent. Subtracting that $3 digital, you're going to pay $7, or alternatively, you can roll $4 of Walgreens cash if you wish, if you're doing this without a booster. Apply for that $3 from IBOTTA. The final price point is $1. Now, again, you're using no booster with this, no like 10 back when you spend 25. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn your $3 with IBOTTA. Okay, so the next two baskets that we're going to look at, class, goes with the 10 back when you spend 25. This is valid all week. And we're just going to kind of augment the basket, and not both of the baskets won't have the Champion body wash because I know it's a harder one to find. But we're going to grab one Champion for this deal, and we're also going to grab at least $20 of Schick/Skintimate products. So we have $27 and change right here. Now the Schick this week is to spend 20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And yes, we have digitals for this gorgeous chorus line of products. So the disposable razors are $6.99. We have a $4 digital. I had a $4.50 as well. And there's also a $4 digital on coupons.com. And here's the tag for those of you that are like, I need to see the tag. And with the shave cream, there's also a $1 digital. So for the body wash, we need to load this best friend. And then for the razors, we need to load the $4. And then for whatever goofy reason, guys, I had this $4.50 off of one, which I didn't even remember that I had, but it came off. So I was kind of excited for that extra savings. So if you might have this one, that's extra pourvu. Or alternatively, $4 back from the coupons.com app, and then $1 back from the Skintimate or Edge shave cream. So looking at the math for this basket, we have one of the Old Spice Champions for $7, 2 Schick disposable razors for $13.98, 2 Skintimate gels for $6.98 for a grand total of $27.96. Have your booster loaded, 10 back when you spend 25. We have $12.50 in digitals coming off. With your debit card, pay $15.46 and you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, 5 for the Schick deal, and then $3 back from IBOTTA for Champion, making it free plus a $2.54 money maker. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as you're using the spend booster of spend 25, get back 10. Okay, the next basket, now you pick which one you want to do. This is just another one not using Champion because I know Champion's kind of a tall order that not everyone will be able to find it. In this basket, we have one bag of the Poise pads. I believe it has to be 30 count or larger, so this is just a prop for this, along with $20 of the Schick disposable. And if you don't wish to get the men's, you can always get the women's Skintimate razors or whatever they're called. Or if you don't like the shaving cream I have, just mix and match to whatever you prefer. Now, IBOTTA is giving back $2 for the Poise pads. So make sure that you have that one loaded. It excludes the use of coupons, so be smart, my friends. Over on the Shopkick app, you're getting back 1,000 points, which is basically $4. 250 points equals $1. So load the following for the razors, the $4 for the Schick disposable, and then I had this goofy one, which is a $4.50 off. Alternatively, you can always make a $4 submission to the coupons.com app. Just throw that one in your back pocket. And then $1 back for the shave gel. Now, I did make a mistake in my preview video thinking that you could submit to that. It's at Target only in my coupons.com folder, so you might be $1 short if you are trying to get an extra $1 back from the coupons.com app if you have the same one as I've noticed that coupons.com goes really heavy with Target offers for me because I don't have a Target. It's kind of something that they do, I've noticed, but just make a note of that. Looking at this basket, we have a Poise pad 30 count for $7.99. My store didn't have it, or I would have definitely grabbed one. 2 Schick disposable razors for $13.98 and 2 Skintimate gels for $6.98 for a grand total of $28.95. Have your digital booster loaded of 10 back when you spend $25. We have $9.50 in digital manufacturers melting off right there. And then you're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash. 10 for the booster and 5 for Schick. $2 back from IBOTTA for the Poise pads, and then $4 back from IBOTTA for the Poise pads, making this basket free and a $1.55 money maker. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, as you're using a booster of spend 25, get back 10. The next deal is one I'm always happy to see. The Dawn dish soaps are $1.24. Buy 2, get back $1 register reward. And yes, it printed for me this morning. So 2 of these is $2.48. Getting back that $1 register reward. It's $1.48 for the 2, or 74 cents per Dawn dish soap. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. And another super duper deal this week is a buy one, get 2 for free on the complete home bags, like for zip. They're very similar to Ziploc, like plastic bags for cooking, storage, whatever you want to use it for. Grabbing 3 of these at $2.99. It shakes it out to 99 cents. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay this down. The Arm & Hammer is on a buy one, get one free this week. I was going to say buy one, get 2 for free. I'm making up my own rules. I know that some inserts got dollar coupons. I don't see any digitals right now, but maybe later in the week we might receive something nice. I have seen digital coupons, though, for these guys, which is the lavender scented, like wet ones. I know a lot of people are really about the wet ones. So if you wanted to grab these, an extra filler item or whatever, by all means, make it happen. Now, a little basket that I put together was a sunflower seed for 99 cents and then 4 of the P&G products that are 4 for $9. So what I did was I grabbed 4 of the dryer sheets and then 1 sunflower seed for $9.99. Here in Michigan, you can pay some of your tax with your Walgreens cash, which is super duper. So I just surrendered $10 in Walgreens cash and paid down the tax. And I'm doing this without a booster, so that is perfectly fine. Okay, let's talk about the big mama. I had this guy loaded, which was my digital booster, 10 back when you spend 25. Plus, I got this one out of the machine yesterday, which is 11 back when you spend 50. A lot better than a 10 back when you spend 50, in my humble opinion. This was my basket. 2 clearance always discreets, a bag of sunflower seeds for 99 cents, $15 of Pantene and Old Spice Champion, $20 of Schick products, and then 2 of the Dawn dish soaps tucked all the way in the back. So we're just going to go through some of the products that I picked up. I could have grabbed the body wash, but I really wanted the shampoo because I'm getting really short on shampoo in my stockpile, which is kind of stupid. $5 register reward when you buy 3 of these products, and we're looking for the products that are exactly $5.99 to keep this on the cheap. And I have this 3 off of 2 digital coupon that I had loaded as well. And then as we have gone through the razors before, I basically grabbed 2 disposable and then 2 shaving creams to get me to $20. So just to jog through this pretty quickly. Then just to show you again the digital coupons, we have the $1 off of the shaving cream, the $4 for the disposable, and the $4.50 for the second disposable. And then I also grabbed 2 of the Dawn dish soaps for $2.58, I believe, and then 1 Champion for $7. It has to be that one because of IBOTTA. and then we have this $3 attaching to it. And then to my surprise and delight, I found 2 bags of these Always Discreet, and I very stupidly thought I would get an $8 register reward for buying 2, but I didn't read the tag properly. There's also a 5 off 2, but because I'm short with that, it's like $3 and some change. The digital coupon did not come off. It's $8 of Walgreens cash when you spend 25. So if you ever wonder if I make mistakes, here's an example of it. But still, these adult underwear, like, I have a million uses for it. I know some people that can use it, so it's okay for $3 and some change. It's not going to break me. And then the final product to get my basket to 50 was one of these David's Original sunflower seeds. I just threw it in as an extra item. So I also had the booster and then a $5 manufacturer register reward and then 2 8s from the razors I bought last week. And I utilized all of these to get my out-of-pocket a lot less. Okay, guys, here's the basket. 1 Old Spice Champion for $7, 2 Schick disposable razors for $13.98, 2 Skintimate gels for $6.98, 2 Dawn's for $2.48, 3 Pantenes for $15, 2 of the Always Incontinent diapers for $3.58, 1 sunflower seed for 99 cents, for a total of $50.01. Talk about kissing that limit of $50 on the nose. I had my booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 25. Plus, I got the cashier to scan 11 back when you spend 50. I had $15.50 in digital manufacturer coupons that melted off, plus $21 in manufacturer register rewards that also came off. With my debit card, I paid $13.51, and I also got back $26 in Walgreens cash. 21 for the 2 boosters, and then 5 for the Schick. And then I also got back $3 from IBOTTA and $6 in register rewards. If you do not count the $21 in register rewards that I tossed into this, if you don't want to count that mathematically, it makes this basket completely free. And what a smart flip. Remember, as you're using 2 different boosters, and yes, they stacked for me today, do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it's going to mess things up. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.